Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of smart home cleaning. We'll be comparing two top-notch robot vacuums that promise to make your cleaning routine a breeze. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. In the left corner, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum, and in the right corner, we have the roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the sweeping and mopping capabilities of these robot vacuums. The Tikom Robot Vacuum boasts a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature. With its electronically controlled water pump and adjustable 3-level water output, you can enjoy a completely clean home. On the other hand, the roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes it up a notch with its all-in-one docking system. It can automatically complete the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. Plus, its large dust bag allows holding up to 7 weeks of dust. When it comes to navigation, both robot vacuums offer smart features. The Tikom Robot Vacuum utilizes gyroscope smart navigation, which follows an efficient zigzag path for more thorough cleaning. This smart navigation improves cleaning efficiency by 30%. On the other hand, the roborock S8 Pro Ultra combines 3D structured light and infrared image technology for reactive 3D obstacle avoidance. It can identify unknown objects, determine their size and location, and bypass them for a more accurate and customized cleaning experience. Now let's talk about suction power and battery life. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers a strong suction power of 2700 PA, making it ideal for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. It also features self-charging, automatically returning to the charging station once the battery is low. On the other hand, the roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts a more powerful 6,000 pascals suction, allowing it to pick up debris, hair, dust, and more from hard floors and carpets more quickly. It also offers fast charging, going from empty to full in just 4 hours. Let's move on to control options. The Tikom Robot Vacuum can be controlled through its dedicated app, offering 5 cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. It also supports voice control with Alexa and Google Home, as well as a remote control for added convenience. Similarly, the roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes with an advanced app that offers total control over the robot vacuum. It even suggests setting no-go zones when detecting easy-to-get suck places during cleaning. It also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. Lastly, let's talk about the additional features of these robot vacuums. The Tikom Robot Vacuum comes with a carpet boost feature that automatically increases suction power on carpets for deeper cleaning. It also includes boundary strips to help you set none-go areas. On the other hand, the roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers liftable brushes and a mop, allowing for separate vacuuming and mopping tasks. It also features an upgraded Viberize 2.0 mopping system for more effective cleaning. While both vacuums offer impressive features, the roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes the lead with its advanced mopping system, obstacle avoidance technology, higher suction power, and fast charging capabilities. However, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is no slouch either, offering a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature and extensive control options. It's important to consider your specific needs and budget when choosing the right robot vacuum for you. And there you have it, our comparison of the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.